A 2007 Ford F-250 with 300,000 miles on the clock just sold for more than a brand new 2024 model sitting on the same dealer lot. Let that sink in. A truck that has hauled livestock through blizzards, been dented by shopping carts, and smells like old coffee is now considered more valuable than a shiny, zero-mileage machine with a warranty. You might call this nostalgia. You would be wrong. This is a market screaming a truth the automakers never wanted you to hear. Here's what is actually happening. The modern pickup truck is no longer a tool. It is a rolling computer with a bed attached. Underneath that sculpted aluminum body is a machine designed not to work forever, but to expire with precision. Take the engine. Old trucks had cast iron blocks and simple pushrod valve trains. You could rebuild one in a barn with a socket set and a manual. New trucks use complex turbocharging systems, high-pressure fuel pumps that self-destruct without warning, and camshafts driven by rubber belts bathed in hot engine oil. That belt dissolves over time. It clogs the oil pickup tube, and just like that, a $60,000 truck needs a $7,000 engine before it hits 100,000 miles. This is not a defect. This is a design decision. The emission systems alone will explain everything. Modern diesels are strangled by exhaust gas recirculation coolers, diesel exhaust fluid injectors, and particulate filters that clog if you don't drive on the highway every single day. When these systems fail, and they will fail, the repair bill often exceeds the value of the truck. But here's the genius of the trap. The warranty expires just before the problems begin. So you are left with a choice. Pay $10,000 to fix a truck you still owe money on, or trade it in and roll the negative equity into a newer model. The dealership wins, the bank wins, the manufacturer sells another truck. You lose. Compare this to the old iron. A 2006 Duramax or a 5.9-liter Cummins from 1998 has no EGR cooler, no DEF tank, no particulate filter. It breathes freely and runs hot. More importantly, those trucks were built when manufacturers still feared lawsuits. Frames with thick steel, wiring harnesses used proper gauge copper. The dashboard didn't require a tablet to operate the heater. You could fix a blown alternator on the shoulder of I-80 with parts from AutoZone. Try doing that with a 2023 model that needs proprietary software just to reset the battery light. The hidden strategy here is what engineers call value engineering. Every component on a new truck is optimized for cost and weight, not longevity. Plastic oil pans, composite intake manifolds, aluminum control arms that cannot be aligned once the bushings wear out. These parts save the manufacturer $12 per truck, but they cost you $3,000 5 years later. And the automakers know exactly when that failure will occur. They have actuarial tables predicting failure rates down to the month. They're not building trucks for farmers and contractors anymore. They're building trucks for suburban commuters who lease for 36 months and never keep a vehicle past warranty. The old truck market exploded because people finally did the math. A well-maintained 2001 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 will outlast any new half-ton on the road today. It gets worse fuel economy, it rides like a wagon, but it starts every morning, hauls every load, and costs nothing beyond oil changes and brake pads. That's real value, and the market is bidding accordingly. So here's the truth they don't want you to understand. You are not buying a product when you drive a new truck off the lot. You are buying a replacement cycle. The engineering flaws are not accidents. The complexity is not progress. It's a calculated system designed to extract maximum money from your wallet until the frame rusts or the electronics go dark. And when that happens, they'll sell you another one. The old truck owners already know this. That's why they're laughing all the way to the bank. The question is, are you going to keep paying for their mistakes, or are you going to buy something that actually works? Choose carefully. Your next repair bill depends on it.